Okay, class. This is instructions on how to submit um, your Photoshop projects when you're working on Brain Buffet. So in Canvas, you're going to see. All right, so in Canvas, I'm using Project 3 as an example, but I'm about to make Project 4 for you guys. Um, so follow the instructions and do all the steps as you follow along in Brain Buffet. And then when you're done, um, the PSD file, that's a Photoshop document, um, put that in a folder on Google Drive, screenshot your work. So let me show you that. So this is what Project 4 looks like at the end. You'll see all these layers um, and linked adjustment layers. So, and they're all named. So all the steps they want you to do, um, I want you to have your layers open so I can see that right over here. Okay, let's go back to Brain Buffet. So uh, show the use Windows and print screen. On the newer computer, you might have to hit the blue function button next to it, and then Windows button, print screen. There you go. And also export the JPEG of the finished work, and then you're going to put them in a Google Drive folder. So that looks like this. There's the PSD folder, so that's the Photoshop folder. I can go in and actually uh, open it up in my Photoshop and look at the layers that you have there. Um, then there's the PNG file, so it's a screenshot showing that. So if I can see very easily that you did your work, I might not have to open the Photoshop file. And then lastly, the exported JPEG of your work. So these are all in a folder, and you're going to click this folder, and you're going to make that folder shareable with Fayette County, copy that link, and then turn that link in over here in Canvas. So um, you're going to turn that in right there. If you had a bad grade on the Project 3, you can go back and resubmit it the correct way after watching this tutorial. Anyway, there's going to be a sub for Tuesday and Thursday, Wednesday and Friday this week. When you finish with Project 3, go ahead and start Project 4 and email me if you have any questions. Good luck.